In this video, you will learn how to manually enter TPMS sensor IDs to a programmable sensor. The OE or aftermarket sensor ID that's being copied manually must be known before entering it to the new sensor. First, go to Program. Select the vehicle's make, model, and year. Select Manual ID. The OE sensor will have the ID printed on the sensor in decimal or hexadecimal format. Enter the ID information. Press the green button to transfer the information manually entered to the sensor. The transfer has been completed. Thanks for watching.